She knows something's going down.
Did that cake here? Wait, let me see. That's Panini's cake.
Panini. Hey.
Not me, Panini.
Panini.
Mama. Mama, what's that? Get it. What's that? It's a birthday pig.
Camera. It's not recording. I'm not trying to tease her. It's not recording.
I'll give you my copy.
All right. You got it?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Got the whole cake.
It's on.
Birthday pig. Everyone's like watching like this is... It's like a lion killing a deer or something.
I just feel the joy.
A nature
right
spectacle.
Look how happy he is.
And she's like smiling.
Like, no way. Really? For me?
She can't even like eat with the icing.
There's a lot of icing on that cake. I might want that one.
Here's Snoot for her Snoot.
Look at the icing. She's got a whole other piece of cake.
Oh, she didn't eat the cake.
Yeah, there's a little piece right there. That. Oh, happy day.